Hey everyone, welcome back to DevOps-with-umesh channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an EC2 instance in AWS and how to connect it from Mac terminal using SSH. So yeah, so first I need to create the EC2 instance. So logging into your AWS account and in the search bar, search the EC2 and here click on the launch instance and you gonna see this window. So here you also see this as well. So here I previously I created this instance and I terminated, so that's why it is showing here, and it gonna in terminated state. So we need to create the new one. So we need to click on the launch instances and give some name. So I will give EC2 SSH and select you. If you want to select the other operating system, then you can select it, that Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows. So our terminal is Mac OS, so we don't need to select that. If you want to connect to Ubuntu, Windows, then you can select this. So I will go with the default one, that is the Amazon Linux, and you're gonna select the Amazon machine image. So it is basically the template that's storing the OS configuration. So yeah, and here we can select the architecture that we want to, and here we can select the instance type. So this is the free tier account, so we only have the three instance type, that is T3 micro, T3 small, and C7 and Mi7i. So yeah, we're gonna go with the default one, that is T3 micro. So it has the 2 CPU and 1 GB memory. So yeah, and we need to create the new key pair. So here we can click on the new key pair and give the name as mac uh, key and create the new key pair. So it gonna download in our download folder, and yeah, that's it. And you gonna allow the HTTPS traffic from the internet. Click on both the tab and then click on the launch instance. So our instance is created, so we can click here and see this. We can see that our instance is created with the name EC2 SSH. So yeah, and this is the public IP of our EC2 instance. So now we want to connect this EC2 instance to our Mac terminal. We can also connect it from here, but we want here to connect this EC2 instance on our Mac terminal. So we can open our Mac terminal, and there is one command to connect this EC2 instance. So this is our command SSH. Yeah, I can increase my font size here. So yeah, so we can go on download folder, because our key is downloaded there. So this is my key that we previously created, and you also went to the previously folder as well and give the path of that key. That should be fine as well. So before the typing this command, we need to give the file permission, that is the read permission to our key. So this is the command. So basically 4 is for read. Yeah, you gonna learn the chmod for this. So chmod is the command that give the file permission of that file. So we want only the read permission of the file, read permission. So that's why we gave 400. That's it. So so the follow for this is 421. That should we remember, that is uh, read, write, execute, but we want to give only read permission. That's why we selected his as a 400. So yeah, so we have the file ls-l, and we can see that using this command what is the file permission of our key. So here we can see that we have read, write, read, but we only want the read permission of that file. So yeah, we can give chmod 400, and then our what was our key name, that is a mac, I think mac key. Then yeah, we can see uh, now we can see that the we have only read permission of our file. So yeah, that's it. And we can type this command ssh dash I, then our key name, and then username of our EC2 instance at the rate IP address. So we can see our username here. If we can see, yeah, this is our username. We can change it if you don't want this, but the default name is this EC2 dash user, and the IP address is this that we selected. And yeah, we gonna give the IP address. And yeah, so it's asking that are you sure you want to continue. Yes. And then yeah, we can see that our EC2 instance is connected to the Mac terminal. Yeah, that's it. And we can see this IP address as our private IP address. We can see that, also check it, that is our private IP address, I think. Yeah, so this is our private IP address. Yes, 172.168.172.31288. So yeah, that's why we confirm that our Linux machine, Amazon Linux machine, is connected to our Mac terminal. And we gonna perform any activity here, that is present working directory. There is nothing inside that. We created the folder, created the file here, and then we can modify the file, type something here, anything that we want. And yeah, that's it. And we can list down the file content using cat. So basically we can perform our Linux operations with this virtual machines that is connected to our Mac terminal. And if you want to exit it, you can exit it. Yeah, the connection is closed. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like it, then hit the like button. And this is the new channel, you also can subscribe it, so you're gonna definitely uh, see the others video as well. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Yeah, bye bye, thanks for watching.